Hello class 12th. Today I am going to start again with you. We were doing differentiation. Earlier we have done differentiation of trigonometric functions, inverse trigonometric functions, and now we are going to do this differentiation of exponential functions and one more logarithmic function. Before telling you about the differentiations of exponential and this logarithmic functions, I want to discuss with you actually what are exponential functions and logarithmic functions. Now listen to me better carefully. Suppose we have to draw a graph of y is equal to x square. What do you get? A parabola like this. Got it? This is a parabola. You will get a graph of parabola like this. Now suppose I'll draw a graph of polynomial y is equal to x cube. This is y is equal to x square. Y is equal to x cube graph will be like this. Steep हो जाएगा. It will be a little bit towards y के चला जाएगा. How? Suppose बेटा क्या है, अगर x का आप 1 डालते हो, y is equal to x suppose, तो वो ग्राफ तो आप can you see that graph of y is equal to x is like this way. So y is equal to x square graph is like this, leaning towards y axis. Then this is y is equal to x cube और चला गया y की तरफ, और I have drawn it like this here. Y is equal to x, then y is equal to x square graph is like this, y is equal to x cube graph is like this, y is equal to x4 graph is like this. This I will discuss later on. Y is equal to 10x. I am repeating, y is equal to x graph, then y is equal to x square graph, y is equal to x cube graph, y is equal to x4 graph. Can you see? Graph of these functions are leaning towards y-axis. As the power of the polynomial is increasing, graph is leaning towards y-axis. That is, curve is getting steeper. Curve is getting steeper and steeper. That is, steeper the curve, faster is the rate of growth. How faster is the rate of growth? How can I tell you? Like y is equal to x है बेटा, तो आप क्या बोलते हो? x इज इक्वल टू 1 है तो y इज इक्वल टू 1 है, x इज इक्वल टू 2 है तो y इज इक्वल टू 2 है, y इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर हो तो क्या होता है? x इज इक्वल टू 2 तो y इज इक्वल टू 4, y इज इक्वल टू एक्स क्यूब हो तो क्या होता है? x इज इक्वल टू 2, y इज इक्वल टू 8, y इज इक्वल टू x4 है तो x इज इक्वल टू 2, y इज इक्वल टू 16. कैन यू सी द वैल्यू इज इंक्रीजिंग? y की वैल्यू कितनी तेज़ी से बढ़ रही है. गॉट इट? So but the thing is always, but it all happens when x is greater than 1. Remember, x should be greater than 1, क्योंकि नेगेटिव के लिए ये वैल्यूज़ कम होती जाएंगी. अगर आप x को नेगेटिव वैल्यू लेते हो लाइक, या फिर 0 से कम 1 से छोटी वैल्यू लेते हो, 0.2 0.3 1 से कम वैल्यूज़ होगी, तो फिर ये वैल्यूज़ छोटी होती जाएंगी. इस केस में ये वैल्यूज़ बढ़ती जा रही हैं. गॉट इट? सो नाउ फॉर दीज थिंग्स, अब आप कैन यू सी, अगर हमने देखा तो ग्राफ दिस वे द ग्राफ्स आर